Welcome to Alfreton.
Engineering works are taking place on Sunday the 21st of June affecting our Liverpool Line Street Nottingham Norwich route, closing all lines at Ely. Trains cannot run to from and through Ely, therefore a rail replacement bus will operate between Peterborough and Norwich. Please ensure you plan your journey in advance. For more information, please visit nationalrail.co.uk.
Well, wasn't expecting it. There is a train due in a minute, going straight through. But after that, hold on, what's she saying now?
Please keep your personal belongings with you at all times. If you spot anything suspicious, please speak to a member of railway staff or the British Transport Police. You can text the British Transport Police on 61016. Remember the 3 S's. See it, say it, sorted. For your safety, please keep away from the platform edge, as some fast trains may not stop here.
Yeah, as I was saying, there's one train due shortly, going straight through. But after that, it's about an hour and a half wait for another train, so we won't hang around after that one. So we'll wait for this train to come through from that way. It's at Clay Cross at the moment, about 10 mile away. We'll hang around, and when it comes we'll catch it on video. Don't go away, folks, I'll be right back. A train which is going straight through is going to Nottingham, and then it's going to form the 8:10 train to London St Pancras. Here it comes. That's off to Nottingham, and it's going to go to London, yeah. And there's no more trains for at least another hour, so we won't hang around here. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? Catch you all soon. This one's off to Tunstall Sidings, wherever that is. Six 619, that one, Freightliner.